Okay, welcome back everybody. I am here to bring you the lesson on greater than, less than, or more than, less than, same thing. And from my understanding, they use greater than more often than more than. So with greater than, less than, we use symbols that define if a number is greater than or less than another number, if it is equal to a number or not equal to a number. So we're going to do some drawing and go over the symbols. Our greater than symbol would be kind of like almost like a triangle sideways without the bottom piece, or a sideways V. That is our greater than. Less than is the same thing but going the opposite direction. Greater than or equal to is just like greater than, except it has a line underneath it with just a little space in between. Less than or equal to would be the same as less than, but with the line drawn underneath it. And it also can be drawn like this. Do the same symbols and the line is straight. Our equal to is an equal sign. And our not equal to is an equal sign with a line drawn across it. If you want to take notes, jot these down if you want. Pause the video. How can you remember which one is the greater than and which one is the less than? Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I have been taught in grade school. With the opening area, we can pretend that it's like an alligator with sharp teeth. And I'll draw them on all of them with the greater than, less than, just to get that out the way. Just pretend that they're like an alligator or a shark, something of sharp teeth. And assuming there is like a number on both sides of the symbol, here or here, 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 here or here, same thing here and there. So what this is saying here is whatever number is on this side is greater than the number on this side, okay? Because the greater side is the side where it's open, because the alligator wants the bigger piece. It's closed on and pointed on the smaller side. So this is closed and pointed. This number would be the smaller side. It's open here. The bigger number should be here. Bigger number here and here, smaller on this side. Okay? So let's give a few examples. Okay, so I have numbers pre-placed with these symbols to indicate what each is stating. With this one here, our greater than sign. Greater is open on the left side and closed on the right. So to make this statement true, the greater number should be on the left and the smaller number should be on the right, pointing at the smaller number, open at the greater number. And the same rule applies for the less than, pointing towards the smaller number on the left and open on the greater number, but on the right. Greater than or equal to is the same thing. These are greater than signs, but they have a line underneath indicating it's either going to be, these numbers are either going to be greater, this side is going to be greater than that side, or equal to it. This is going to be saying that this number over here is either going to be less than that side or equal to it. 24 is greater than 12. Is that true? Yes. This is how it should look. 24 is greater than 12. Less than. 1 is less than 14. Is that true? Yes. 1 is less than 14. With our greater than or equal to, this is stating 32 is greater than or equal to 30. Is it greater than or equal to 30? Yes. It is not equal to 30, but 32 is indeed greater than 30. So that statement is true. This is saying it's either one or the other. 25 is either greater than or equal to 24. Is 25 greater than or equal to 24? Yes, it is greater than 24. It isn't equal to 24, but it is greater than 24. Same rules apply for less than or equal to. Is 8 less than or equal to 11? Yes, 8 is not equal to 11, but it is less than 11. And 1 is less than or equal to 5. Is it? Yes, it is not equal to 5, once again, but it is less than 5. So moving on, last but not least, we have our equal to and not equal to sign. 6 is equal to 6. Is 6 equal to 6? Yes, it is. It is the same number, the same amount. That makes it true. And this here is stating 9 is not equal to 10. Is that true? Is 9 not equal to 10, or are they equal? It is true. 9 is not equal to 10. 9 is 1 less than 10. So I do want to point out that in an assignment like this, most likely it would be something like, it would usually have the numbers already there, and you would just have to pick which symbol goes where. Which side is the greater side and which side is the least side. So greater over here, you open here. Okay? And then you may have something like 12 and 24. And then you would put the symbol open on the bigger number and close on the smaller number. You would have to just put the symbol there. The numbers are already be pre-written. The directions may say, write greater than or less than symbol. Or maybe they say, write a greater than, less than, or equal to symbol. And they might have two numbers that are equal. And then you would just put an equal symbol. They may say, write greater than, less than, or equal symbol. And they'll have the numbers pre-written already. You would just put your symbol there. Greater than 54 is greater than 32. Open on the bigger number. 12 is less than 24. Open on the big number. Point it towards the smaller number. 11 and 11 is equal. 11 is equal. 11 is equal to 11. So another thing you might have to do is say if the two numbers are greater than or equal to, or is it less than or equal to? So 54 and 32, 54 greater or less than 32. We know it ain't equal, but 54 is greater than 32, so we're going to use the greater than symbol, greater than or equal to symbol. It's not equal to it, but it is greater than 32. And the question may state, is it greater than equal to or less than equal to? And we're going to use 54 is greater than equal to 32. 12 and 24, what do we use, the greater than equal to or the less than equal to? Is 12 or 24 the greatest? 24 is greatest. We would use the less than or equal to symbol. 12 is less than or equal to 24. Not equal though, but it is less than. 11 and 11, is 11 less than or equal to or greater than or equal to? Now watch it. This is a tricky one. It is equal. Yes, it is. But they didn't ask us this time to put an equal sign. They said either greater than equal or less than equal. Well, if you said that we could use either one, you are correct. Because 11 is not greater or less than it, but it is equal to it. So if it says greater than equal to or less than equal to or both, then this would be an answer with both. I'm not sure if that one is common, but 11 is greater than or equal to 11. 11 is less than or equal to 11 because of the equal to, not because 11 is greater or less than 11, because it is not greater or less than 11. But indeed, 11 is equal to 11. So either you can choose one or the other, or if they specifically want you to put both, then it'll be both. And then these are going to be our directions on what it is, the sign that is asking of you. So this here would be the greater than or equal to. I put G/E, greater than or equal to. This is our less than or equal to, L/E. G for greater than, L for less than, E for equal to. Okay, this E is equal to or not equal to for the NE. And then here, we would be looking for it to be either T for true or F for false. Okay, so let's state here, place the symbols, and over here, the symbols are already there. We'll just put if it is true or false, okay? Okay, in summary, we'll wrap things up with a couple of quick practices. And I put here already some numbers pre-placed up here. And we have blank spaces in between to place our symbols to indicate which symbol needs to be there. And I have G/E or L/E for greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. We'll use this column for that. Let's start with the 15 and 34. Is 15 less than equal to or greater than equal to? 15 is less than or equal to 34. If you said 15 is less than or equal to 34, you are absolutely correct. 15 is less than 34. 17 and 6. Is 17 less than equal to or greater than equal to 6? If you said greater than equal to, that is correct. 17 is greater than 6, so that is greater than equal to. 54, is that greater than equal to 52 or less than equal to 52? If you said greater than, you are absolutely correct. 54 is greater than or equal to 52. It is greater than 52, so greater than equal to. Okay, and lastly, 4 and 4. Is 4 greater than equal to or less than equal to? Now, it is equal, so that's not on here, but therefore, you have to make sure you read your directions and understand what they're asking of you. Once again, each one has an equal to, so either one could be the answer. It may ask for both. You can write both signs or either one. I'm sure you would not get that marked wrong. So we can just pick and choose which one. And if it's asking or equal, then you can just say equal instead of writing both symbols. So yes, 4 is equal to 4. It is greater than equal to, and it is also less than equal to 4. All right, moving on. This row here, we are going to indicate if it is G for greater than, L for less than, E for equal to. So this time, we do want an actual equal to sign or greater or less, okay? So 12 and 12. Is 12 greater, less, or equal to 12? If you said equal, you are absolutely correct. 9 and 18. Is 9 less than or equal to 18? Yes, 9 is less than 18. We're going to point it at the 9, open at 18. And lastly, 0 and 0. Is 0 greater than, less than, or equal? 0 is equal to 0. Now here's asking, write the equal symbol. We have E for equal and then NE for not equal. Equal or not equal. Is 1,000 equal or not equal to 101. Okay, 1,000 and 101 is indeed two separate numbers, so it is not equal. Two lines and one slash going across it. 1 and 12. Is 1 equal to 12 or not equal? It is not equal. Okay, and lastly, 2 and 2. Is that 2 equal to 2 or not? 2 is equal to 2. They are the same number, equal. Okay, and over here, this row and this one, we are going to either write T for true or F for false, indicating if these symbols are accurate with those given numbers, okay? The first one we have here is 17 and 6. This states 17 is less than 6. Is 17 less than 6? True or false? False. 17 is greater than 6. Okay, 9 is not equal to 99. Is 9 not equal to 99 or is 9 equal to 99? It is not equal. So this statement is true. 9 is not equal to 99. T for true. Okay. And can you guess what this statement is saying? There's a 1, 0, 0, and there's a 1, 0, 0, 0. That is 100. This is 1,000. This statement is stating 100 is greater than or equal to 1,000. Is that true? Is 100 greater than or equal to 1,000? It is absolutely false, because 100 and 1,000 is not equal. They are definitely two different numbers. And 100 is not greater than 1,000. 1,000 is surely by far greater than 100. Lastly, 10 equals 10. Does 10 equal to 10? Yes, it does. T for true. I just want to thank you all for being here today. And just like usual, please comment, please share, please like, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Hope to catch you soon.